It's good to be here at Valentine Chicken and see that investment put to use with the installation of a solar power plant.
My name is Michael Iwu. I'm the VP Commercial for Rensource. Rensource plans to power Africa towards prosperity. And as you can see, we just recently completed a 717 kilowatt peak for Valentine Chicken. And that is the first phase to a 4.8 megawatt peak, 4 megawatts gas generator and 8.1 megawatt hour.
We've signed a 15 million USD facility with Rensource 3 months ago. That investment is now put to use with the installation of a solar rooftop at Valentine Chicken here in Kwara State, Nigeria. We are very excited at furthering the relationship with Rensource, doing more impactful projects in the country and beyond.
I'm Bertus Kastijn. I'm MD of Valentine Chicken here in Shonga, Kwara State. I've had a relationship with Rensource from about 3 years ago where our paths crossed. We have had a very good relationship. We've installed a 120 kilowatt pilot project, which has been running successfully now for almost close to 2 years. It is good, clean, green energy and also helping us get stable supply here where we are. We've recently completed another project here at the abattoir, which is also 590 odd kilowatts of solar power, which has been a great revelation for us that reducing our load, we have a load of over 800 kilowatt to 1 MVA, and it has recently been commissioned. But in the short time that it has been commissioned, we have seen the benefit on the load that it's reducing the load on our generators, and obviously when we have grid supply, it reduces the load there. So we are looking forward to the long-term savings that the project will give us, and as well as expanding on the current project, we'll be expanding to quite a large extent, and look forward to continuing our relationship with Rensource as it has been good up to now.